International Day for the Elimination of Sexual Violence in Conflict, 19 June. International Day for the Elimination of Sexual Violence in Conflict, the term conflict related to sexual violence refers to rape, sexual slavery, forced prostitution, forced pregnancy, forced abortion, enforced sterilization. Forced marriage and any other form of sexual violence of comparable gravity perpetuated against women, men, girls or boys that is directly or indirectly linked to a conflict. The term also encompasses trafficking in persons when committed in situations of conflict for the purpose of sexual violence or exploitation. In 19 June 2015, the United Nations General Assembly proclaimed 19 June of each year the International Day for Elimination of Sexual Violence in Conflict, in order to raise awareness of the need to put an end to conflict-related sexual violence. To honor the victims and survivors of sexual violence around the world, to pay tribute to all those who have courageously devoted their lives to and lost their lives in standing up for the eradication of these crimes. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.